the match awaiting awarding ceremony. Start of the first quarter. Hello. Number 3 drives. Pass to number 14. Number 5 throws the ball. Pasok. Number 12, Capricho, back to number 12. Traveling. Number 5 drives! Ang ganda ng lusot na yun for 2. Jet Sugalia. Wala ang tira, nagawa na rebound, kanina loose ball. Number 3 for 3, wala. Offensive rebound by number 14, pasok. Songgalia. To number 10, Zika. Pass to number 91, umikot. Pushing foul. Foul number 12. Number 10, guarding. Oh, natapikan. Number 3 ay nabol ang St. Joseph. Moral. Moral for three. Bang! Number 10 drives. Pass to number 91 is spin move. Wala. Good pass. 7-4. Our score 7-4 in favor of St. Joseph Dulu. Chad looking for a pass. Pass to number 17. To number 10. Bang! Number 11 pala yun. Number 11. Capricho pumeke, tumirap. Ba't na to? Over the bakod yun. Number 5, Sumkalia, thinking 3. Binabantayan ni number 14 to number 10. Sita off. Illegal pick. Follow number 91. Follow number 91. 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Moral. Back Moral for 3. Number 17, Flores. To number 10, to number 91. Number 91, bumangga. Merong foul. Follow number 12, Mark Capricho. Second personal, Mark Capricho. Zita for 3, wala nakuha ni Capricho. Lead pass to Moral. Moral, AC2. Number 10 spins. To number 91, offensive foul. Follow number 91. Substitution. Second follow number 91 ng Villanueva. Second follow number 91. Substitution. Alan Reyes pumasok. Number 17 out. In one pass. Number 14, Pinato, pasok. Number 5. Alan Reyes, wala ang tira, nakuha. Ang Villanueva, nakuha pa rin nila. Throws the ball by number 17, wala pa rin talaga. Paso! Score 14-9, 5 pong kalamangan ng St. Joseph. Number 14, ganda ng pasahan to number 8, wala. There's a loose ball foul. Timeout, St. Joseph. Five minutes and 22 seconds. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game. Number 14 to number 3, Moral, dribbling the ball, binabatay ni number 10. Moral for 3, wala, rebound by number 2, Zita, to Alan Reyes. Oh, ang ganda na lusot, pasok! Nakalusot. Nagkaroon magpapasaan. Number 14, floater shot, easy 2. Alan Reyes dribbling the ball to number 6. No. Shot for 2. 16-13, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 14 dribbling the ball. Tumak Moral for 3. Wala nakuha ng Villanueva. Alan Reyes on the ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 11. Na number 10 pala. Number 10. Bumangga. Oh, yung siya blocking foul. Foul number 29. Ay, number 19 pala. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Substitution, ref, substitution. Number 10 for 2. 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Number 14 throws the ball. Nagagawa ng rebound. Nakuha ng Villanueva. Ayan na po, tumatakbo ang Villanueva. Number 10. Dribbling the ball. Number 10 drives. Throws the ball. Paso. Lamang na po ang Villanueva ng isa. Mark Capricho. Dribbling the ball. Mark off. There's a foul. Follow number 7. Pushing foul. Time out! Villanueva. Capricho fix. Binigay kay number. Pasok by number 10. For 3. Number 6 to number 10. Number 10 drives to number 6. Alan Reyes. Bang! Basket counts on Alan Reyes for 3. Last 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Sideline throwing. Capricho on the ball. Capricho drives, spin! Oh, sayang! Nakuha ng Villanueva. Ayan na po Villanueva. Tumatakbo Villanueva. Tumatakbo na kay Alan Reyes ang bola. Allen. Up, traveling on number 7. Red ball. Substitution, ref, substitution. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Our score 21-19 in favor of Villanueva. Moral, wala ang tira. Nakuha ng Villanueva. Nagagawa. Nakuha pa rin ng Villanueva. Number 10, number 11 pala. Number 7 din nakagawa ng bola. To number 3, Moral. To number 12, Capricho brings the ball. He dribbles the ball. Capricho drives. times, reverse shot, wala pero committed a foul. Who's foul ref? Foul on number 17. Steal by number 14 ng St. Joseph. To Capricho. Capricho for 3. Masyadong malakas. Nakuha ng Villanueva. Villanueva. Number 10, Zita. Zita, hinaras. Pero sa kanya pa rin. Umiko, tumira. Wala. Rebound ng pula. Ayan na po, Mark Moral. To number 14. Number 14. Umiyok pa ako. There's a foul. Last 1 minute and 52 seconds. 1 minute. Subrep, subrep. First shot pasok. Reyes dribbling on the ball, pass to Chad Songalia. Songalia to number 10. Songalia. 10 seconds to shoot to Reyes. Reyes, nice pass sa ilalim na kay number 2. Number 2, pumersa, paso. Sila. Number 40. Back to number 40 na bola. Air ball.
Putang ina, box out na si Minyong eh.
Number 7 to number 5. To Alan Reyes. Nice pass to number 5. Ay, number 5 nga.
Nice one, Allen.
Two free throws, so number 5.
Low. Jersey number 3, Mac Moral. Mac Moral, pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Allen Reyes, number 6. Allen, pass to Chad Songalia. Chad Songalia, easy to balls para kay jersey number 5. Last 50 seconds, score natin. 27-22, 5 ang kalamangan ng Villanueva. Olohan, number 14. Olohan, dumidiskarte, tumira. Wala, rebound ni jersey number 2. Paso Allen. Allen, didiskarte si Allen. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 2. Number 2, sumagasa. Offensive foul para kay jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, personal foul. Last 32 seconds. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 3. Number 3. Tumira na Andres. No good. Rebound foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Third personal foul. Tatlo ka na, jersey number 17. 2 shot para kay jersey number 7. First shot, no good. Para kay jersey number 7. Last 27 seconds tayo. Sub. Sub. Allen, pass to number 5. Chadson Gaya, nakipagagawa sa ere. Number 5, dinidepensa at pinasa kay jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Easy to boys para kay jersey number 2. Last 15 seconds, jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 3, Mac Moral. Jersey number 3. Last 10 seconds. Mac Moral umigot, tinagawan. Last 5 seconds. Bola ng Villanueva, last 5.4 seconds. Andrews, pinasa kay number 2. Last 5 seconds. Bola ng St. Joseph. Last 3.7 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Last 3.7. Mac, binatog.